guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you a new recipe. This recipe boosts metabolism and boosts fat burning in the abdomen and hip areas. But allow me to mention some of the benefits tips for this recipe ingredients. The first one is banana. Bananas are high in fiber, which helps to suppress appetite and promote fat burning. The indigestible fibers included in bananas, as well as resistant starch, prevent the body from absorbing the carbohydrates. This causes the body to burn fat, instead of carbohydrates for energy. The second ingredient is ginger. According to studies on ginger's weight loss advantages, ginger has a considerable impact on body weight and belly fat. The compounds, gingerols, and shogols are found in ginger. When you eat ginger, these substances promote several biological activity in your body. Gingerols promote a number of biological processes in the body. They help food digest faster and stimulate the body to accelerate digested food through the colon, which has an anti-obesity effect. Gingerols may help to regulate blood sugar levels. Maintaining a healthy blood sugar level is important for weight loss. The last ingredient is lemon. Lemons are known for their ability to aid weight loss, due to the presence of vitamin C and antioxidants that aid digestion. Lemons also contain diuretic effects, which aid in bodily detoxification and fat burning. Experts claim that this magical dose can significantly increase the body's metabolism. What is the useful time to drink it? This drink should be drunk half an hour before dinner. It can help you lose belly fat. And now, the method of preparation. We'll need a banana for this. Remove the peel from the banana. Using a knife, cut the banana into small pieces. Mash them well. Fill a cup halfway with banana puree. Fill the cup halfway with boiling water. Add a teaspoon of ginger powder to the mixture. Ginger should be thoroughly mixed in. Half a lemon squeezed thoroughly. If you liked this video, please do share, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because there are more important and useful tips that will be coming after this video. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much for watching.